In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know so you can set up and use your Neuronic LIGHT helmet with confidence, including connecting to it and using it with the Neuronic app. When you first open the box, you'll find a small envelope containing a quick start guide, a full user manual, and our sustainability statement. Underneath, you'll find your Neuronic LIGHT in a dust bag and a separate bag of accessories that go with the device. This includes your battery pack, 2 charging cords, a charging block, as well as some different sized foam pads. When you take the helmet out, you'll notice an adjustment dial at the back, just like a bike helmet. Turn the dial right or left to make it tighter or looser. If you need more space, you can swap the foam pads out for the different sized ones included, or remove them entirely for a more comfortable fit. There are 2 ways to power your helmet. The first way to power your device is by plugging it directly into the wall. The second way is by connecting it to the charged portable battery pack. If you choose to use the battery pack for added portability, you can use the circular button on the top of the battery pack to check how much charge is in the battery pack. 4 lights means fully charged, 3 lights means 75% charged, 2 lights mean 50% charged, and 1 light means you should probably charge the battery soon. A fully charged battery lasts for about 2 hours while using the helmet. On the outside of the helmet, you'll see 2 buttons. A larger oval power button and a smaller circular quick start button with the Neuronic end. The power button turns on your device and gives you status updates through light signals. The quick start button will automatically launch the last protocol you used. If this is your first time, it will start the glow protocol, which runs in a continuous wave mode. The power button gives you status updates through different colored light signals. A slow flashing white light means that the device is in pairing mode, ready to connect to the app. A solid white light means that the device is connected to the app. A yellow light means that a program is running, and a red light means that the device is not receiving power correctly. If your power button turns red, double check that you're using the Neuronic provided accessories, including the power cord and the power block or the battery pack. If the issue only happens with the battery pack, test the device by plugging it directly into the wall. If problems continue, please reach out to our support team. We are always happy to help. You can download the Neuronic app by searching Neuronic in the App Store or by scanning the QR code shown on screen. After downloading, create an account using your email, Google, or Apple login. You'll receive a verification code by email, so be sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it. Once the account is set up, you'll be guided through a short intake questionnaire to help tailor your progress tracking. This is optional, so you can skip it if you prefer. You'll also see a quick walkthrough to help you navigate the app. To connect your helmet, plug it in and press the power button to enter pairing mode. Follow the steps in the app until you see your helmet appear. If it doesn't show up, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that you're running the latest version of the app. When you start a program, you'll hear 3 small beeps and see the indicator light on the inside of the helmet. Don't worry if you don't see the other LEDs. Near-infrared light is invisible to the human eye. The small indicator light is simply there to confirm that your device is running. When the program ends, you'll hear 3 beeps again. On the home screen, near the top left, you'll see your profile. If you're living in a house with multiple users, this is how you can track separate activity and protocol usage. By clicking on your profile, you'll be able to see an option to add a profile or to toggle to a different profile. Below this, you'll see a section called Usage Activity, where you can track your device usage and view which protocols you've run. You'll also see the option to take a weekly questionnaire to help track your progress. This is completely optional. At the top right of the home screen, you'll find the settings. From here, you can manage your devices, add or forget helmets as needed, update your account details, delete your account, and access the help and feedback section, where you can check out our FAQs and send us your feedback. We are always looking to improve. At the bottom of the screen, under Programs, you'll find all available protocols. Here you can also create custom programs by adjusting the duration, pulse rate, and intensity. For example, you may want to run glow for 5 minutes instead of the full 10 minutes. You can also add protocol steps, such as break periods where the lights are switched off temporarily. If you're unsure what protocol to use, please watch our What's the Best Protocol for Me video that goes into more detail. Finally, in the bottom right corner, you'll find Neuronic LIGHT. This section is designed to provide guidance on using your device, tailoring it to your needs, and keeping you up to date with the latest research through our blog.